Hey folks, thanks for tuning in today to Melo Leather. Today's video, I got an unboxing. I ordered some supplies from the leather factory. I was running low on some items, and a couple items I ran out. I believe I ran out of these rings, so I had to order some more. I'm making a lot of these here to hold spud wrenches and anything else you want to attach to it. So I ordered it. They mail it out real quick, the same day or the next. They mail it out and you get it in a day or two. They usually do priority mail. So I ran out of dye and a few other items, and I had to order what they had available. Usually they have a larger container of dye, like a quart, and wasn't available, so I had to order the little ones, unfortunately. But you got to make do with what you got. So I got this little pocket keychain knife. Nothing fancy, just use it for boxes once in a while. Got it recently, so I just been putting it to use. It's got a little button, a little spring in there. Good enough for this. So let's open this box and see what supplies I use in order to make some of these leather items that I make. Alright, here's the dyes that I ordered. Guess I can use this guy again. Okay. So I just ordered a black and a dark brown because, like I said, they don't have the large containers, so I just grabbed this for now, which I will probably run out today using it. And it's an oil dye, it's not water-based. That way none of this color will ever run. If it gets wet, it's not going to run all over it. Plus I put preservatives on it and other items as well. So one thing in there now is a receipt, so I'll put this aside. Alright, so I ordered a couple more 2-prong buckles for these belts that I do, the work belts. What else did I get? Yes, more of the rings, because I ran out. I got a package of those. It's like a 10-pack, I believe, yeah. Here, some medium burrs, medium rivets. Got some chrome line 24 snaps. And this would be for the belts. I use this on the belts as well. So if someone doesn't want a chrome, doesn't want a brass one, you get a chrome one. And I got some more brass snaps as well for the belts and for other items I make too. One of these tape measure holders recently. Got a button snap on it. And last item, yeah, it was just some burrs. And we use these to reinforce the beckets there on those key points, and as on the tape measure clip that I make for the beckets and other holders as well. The hammer holder I use. And that's all, folks. Wasn't much, but enough to keep me going until I can get a bigger order in. I gotta look up another factory who can get bigger quarts of dye, and I can order some of this stuff more in bulk. Comes out cheaper in the long run, especially when you're making a lot of stuff. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and stay safe out there. Hope everyone's doing well. All my new subs, welcome to the channel. I appreciate the support. If you're not subbed to the channel, hit that sub button, smash that bell, because I'll get some more videos out. I want to do a video showing some of these items that I make and the tools that they're for. So if there's any questions about it, maybe that video will answer it. Go over some of the tools that we use in the field too as iron workers. Until then, stay safe again. Later.